So they put the new curbs in. This is 2 days later now. And they look, you know, room by room kind of thing. All the stuff you see on TV where shit's just magically done and you don't get to see all the great details of stuff. Well, that's what I'm here for, to point out everywhere they fucked up. And there's a number of them. Let's go across the street and we'll kind of walk along that and see what we can find. So they're still working here, but this was all redone at the corner. They did the curbs there. I'm not that concerned. They fucked this up right here. That's real nice. Concrete spillage onto the cover, so that's good. They did not put in, and I don't have any here to show you, sometimes they put these like reddish pinkish colored plastic, or sometimes even stone, like cement things with bumps on it, so maybe wheelchairs don't roll down it or something, but they didn't do that. And that's all old stuff there, so there is none there. Top of the curb over here really doesn't look too bad. This sidewalk is all new also. That's straight. So the curb actually surprisingly doesn't look too bad. The street here, I mean, that's, you know, that's why the cone's there, I guess. Oh, isn't that interesting? I can't make out the name. Something Edison, but local Edison? I don't know, because I know in New York City they use Con Edison for power. So I don't know. I don't know what that means. Just, you know, not mopped straight, kind of beat up. Fuck the street up here, no cone. They did a fairly nice job. Fuck the street up here, right across the street for me. So that's real nice. The sidewalk is not bad. I have actually not walked on this yet. That's straight. Right there. That's all good. Fuck the street up here. This is right in front of the Chatalian's rock garden driveway, so I still have to look at it, but it's not mine. Not in front of my house, I mean. They backfilled all the dirt here. That's fine right there. I'm actually surprised. They did a fairly nice job. See, how does shit like this grow in a day? What the hell? Really? That's straight. More fucked up street. I guess it's bound to happen, but I mean, you know, the street was, well, not in the greatest shape. But they ain't reporting that or redoing that anytime soon. They did that about 15 years ago. More fucked up street. I have not been down here yet. More fucked up street. Wow, they really did a number on that. I don't know if that was a water... Yeah, it's round, so it's probably a water shut-off or something. Not positive. This one's all vercocked over here. Just totally broke that up, so that's nice. And the most concerning thing is the water here. Now, yes, it did rain last night. However, there was never any water buildup here. Never. So I don't know if the street sunk, or now that the curb is here, it's interrupting it, or I don't know what. More broken street. And the new concrete ends here, which is the storm basin. As you can tell here, this fence is new and already dented. So that's nice. There's always garbage and shit around. So they did an okay job. Not great. And maybe in case you want to just look real quick, it's just land. The center down in there is where it is depressed. But otherwise, there's really nothing to see. You can see those trees growing from like way down in there. So around it, you have a raised area that's ground level, and the rest is depressed down in there. And that's really all it is. That's dead. That's fine. So yeah, I mean, nobody comes and cuts any of this stuff and all that. The trees that used to be here, of course, are long gone now. That grew through the fence. All rusty with barbed wire on top. It's been here, that's just there. You know, they left some wood forms. I wonder if I might have to abscond with a couple of those, although I have no use for them. There's a rock there. That's maybe just a ball of dirt, but might be useful. Some more wood forms. But otherwise, I'm actually fairly impressed. They didn't do the worst job that it looked like they were doing. They did fairly well. Fairly well. The sidewalk is nice and level in that it's not, you know, or anything like that, or whoop, or zoom. So all around, not too bad. Could have been better. Was real hot, but that's not really an excuse. The sidewalk was done when it wasn't hot out, and I'm surprised this concrete actually even set. I'm going to be nice about it and not walk on the curb. I'm sure it's all set now, but even so, down tree in there, just leave it, that's fine. That one there, cut it down, leave it, that's fine. They had all the equipment, dig all the stumps out, you saw all the stuff here. And you can see how the land just goes down in there. And that's pretty much it. We're back to the corner. Just leave that. That's, you know, it's fine there. This fence, like I said, was replaced. And they're still doing work here as you see the street. They dug all that up. Oh, because they put a, whatever you call that in, I forget the name, like a curtain or something. I forget exactly what it's called. But that was all poured in over here, a channel, whatever they want to call it. So they did that all the way down there. But that is the new curbs and sidewalk. This sidewalk is all new also, I think. That's really going to do it. So thanks so much for watching. I don't know if they'll be back to tidy anything up or not, but anyway, that's kind of what we're left with at this point. And I'm sure they'll patch the street and make it look horrible as well, like they did here. That's fine. So we'll have to see. But anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.